Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So today let me help you how to replace the battery on the tire sensor that I installed, monitor that I installed last time. Now if you see this, you see the bottom one, the rear tire does detect tire air, but the front, as you see, there's two dot or two line, and it's keep making that beeping sound. That means they could not detect the sensor in the front. Now at the beginning I didn't know that, well, I know the sensor have the battery in it, but I didn't know was you can actually replace it. So if you have the same problem I am, let me show you how to replace it. So let me show you how to replace this the battery right here. So let me show you how to replace the battery in there. It's very simple. So all you need to do is get one of your the tool that come with the system, and all you need to do is put the tool in to hold it still, so you can twist the cap out. There you go. See, as you can see, you can remove the cap, and there you can see the batteries right here. So go ahead and remove the battery. With your finger. Now the size of the battery is 1632 CR 1632. CR 1632, and all you need to do is put a new one. 1632. So let me show you closely so you can see better. All you do is just slap it in, and that's it. Now let's go and check on the front, the monitor screen, and see. As you see now, it's starting to show up as the sensor is back in order again. So now all you do is just close the cap back on, and have the tool to hold on in the back. And that's it. Now you are done, and everything should be back to working normal, or normal working condition. So same thing with the rear. You do the same thing with the rear if this happened, if the batteries ran out on the rear sensor. So I hope if you have one of this tire monitor system like I have, and if you have a problem with the sensor ran out of battery, and that's how you replace it. All right, that's it. So I hope you find it helpful, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.